here. Oh, he's missed the target. Oh, it's been kept out. Oh, no. It's a dreadful penalty. And he squandered it off target. And it's been put away. Not the best penalty. Straight at the keeper. Oh, goodness. One of the worst spot kicks you're likely to see. And with all the pressure on, he slots it away to win the shootout.
Well, he looks so cool, so calm. It's a fantastic penalty. And I think he probably just about deserved it too over the course of the game. Had the better of the play on the whole.